The pandemic is now taking a major toll on young people. A quarter of Virginia's cases are now pediatric.
And with no vaccine available for children yet, CHKD continues to see a surge in cases. That has been going on for months now. And your side's Jon Dowding has more on this for us tonight. John?
Tom and Anita, it's a troubling statistic as cases continue to rise, but now it's too early to know what impact in-person learning is having on the spread of the virus. But still, health officials warn now is not the time to stop safe practices.
We're just not certain what the future holds.
One thing is for certain, pediatric case numbers and hospitalizations are not going in the right direction.
In August, we had 38 children admitted to the hospital for the entire month. We've had 35 already in the month of September.
CHKD doctors say they're continuing to see a surge first witnessed at the end of July. Roughly 2/3 of patients are admitted for COVID treatments.
Over the past couple weeks, we've had more infants get admitted for COVID. Some only need to stay a day, some only need to stay a few days, and then they go home. But we've actually seen an increase in our need for admission to the hospital.
Even though mortality rates remain low in children, stopping the spread is what matters most.
We're not only concerned just about their health, we're concerned about them taking that illness potentially to their home, to their grandparents, to others around them who may be immunocompromised.
With most kids already back in the classroom, health officials say it's important for parents to be vigilant to keep kids safe.
I've heard all too often, especially now as we're getting into allergy season, people chalking it up to it's just a runny nose. I just think people need to be a little bit more judicious and a little bit more cautious before assuming it's just a common cold or a runny nose.
The pandemic has taught us that going to school sick is not acceptable. Just like going to work sick is no longer acceptable. And keeping your child home, making sure that they have that mask on.
Well, Dr. Sass from CHKD also wants to remind people vaccination doesn't prevent infection. It prevents serious symptoms of the virus. Now, still, getting that shot in your arm goes a long way at protecting yourself and those around you. Jon Dowding, 10 on your side.